So we come up here to Michigan, Hudsonville, Michigan to be exact, for a Dave Reif monster truck show. Another very large county fair. I was at Monroe with him earlier. I didn't get any footage because the card on the camera got broke, but yeah, Ron and I come up here. This fair is going to be cool. Let me show you what Ron's doing right now though. This is his natural state. Apparently Ron had a little late night down at Terre Haute at the Shy Diesel Extravaganza, but I'm glad he showed up to help today. Gonna go home with us. Hey, you worried about cleaning that thing or worried about driving it tonight?
I'm a little worried about making sure I look good before we get out there. As you can see, I spent a little bit of time on the white lettering on the tires.
Heck yeah.
I had a fresh tire back here to start with. So
yeah. That white lettering's awesome. Good job. All right, guys, so we got a tentative schedule here at Hudsonville, Michigan. I guess I'm leading the pack to go out for everything, really. Got to go out for intros, then we go out for wheelie competition, then we're going to do race, and then we're going to end up tonight with a freestyle.
The American Outlaw! Next up, let's bring out Never Satisfied. He's sponsored by Stainless Diesel Schaeffer Oil. He ran with the best at Monster Truck Hall of Fame in Butler, Indiana. It's a Cummins powered monster truck. Check him out on YouTube channel, Merica-Tv. Ladies and gentlemen, Brandon Overmeyer. First up, ladies and gentlemen, is our monster truck wheelie contest. Each driver gets 3 hits. Our first contestant is the American Outlaw out of Rochester, Indiana, Brandon Overmeyer.
Hey, try out.
He centered good the first one. I was trying not to do that. And I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. That car stack in the middle is intimidating at first, but I went over it once, so now it's all out of the road. It's behind us now. So we actually went out for racing in Hudsonville and took the win, I think 2 times, and that put us in the finals against Mason Rife. But it was so dusty the first 2 times, you just couldn't hardly get a video, and things happened fast. So here we are in the final against Mason.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the finals.
I think we won racing, Ron. There's not even enough track to put it in 3rd gear. I just leave it in 2nd. Haven't been in 3rd gear all night. Seems to be competitive, so I'm okay.
Evidently it's working.
All right, as you guys saw, we rocked the house at Hudsonville. It was a very good time. Big thanks to Dave Rife for having us up there. Got to run with the legend Jack Coburna. That was awesome. Everybody got along great. I think we took the win in racing. I think we got 2nd in wheelies and in freestyle. So we're getting better, and we're going to get better every time. So make sure you guys go buy some merch and keep watching. Thank you.